Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Oanda support on PC. Oanda is a full well-known online forex and CFD trading platform used by the traders worldwide. If you're facing issue with login, deposit, withdrawal, verification or platform errors, contacting Oanda support is the best way to get help. In this guide I'll show you step by step on how to contact Oanda support using your PC. First, open any of the browser on your PC like a Chrome, Edge or the Firefox and go to the official Oanda website. In the top there's an address bar. Type down oanda.com and enter it. Once you get into this interface of your Oanda, on the top you can find this account support here. You can select to this or you can open an account, deposit, withdrawal, or you can also go to this here. And under here you can also search for your articles or browse your articles over here. You can search your problem in the search bar, browse common topics like account issues, funding, trading platforms, verification, etc. And many common problems are already answered in there. You can also go to this contact us here. You can contact Oanda via WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or simply go to this email address and send an email and submit a request as well. And that is it. Depending on your region, Oanda also provides phone support. You can find contact numbers over here and listed under the contact US section. Always contact support using the email registered with the Oanda account, and this helps them verify your identity faster. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.